What's going on, everybody? It's EavesDrop. This is the Acer XR342CK, and it is probably the biggest thing we will ever unbox on this YouTube channel. This box is absolutely insanely huge. This is probably, I want to say, 18 inches thick. It's probably at least 3 feet wide and at least like 2.5 feet tall. This box is an absolute behemoth, and we are going to tear into it right now. So the tape is actually on this side, so we're going to turn this around and we're going to get to cutting the tape here with the handy dandy pocket knife that I got. All right, now that the tape is all cut, I believe we just have to tear into the box from here. Pull that tab open, flip this tab open, and then I believe we can pull up the top. Oh my gosh. Okay, whew, here we go. Oh Lord. This box is so big. All right, so there's instructions that are backwards for me now. Let's see, 1, take it out. All right, it looks like the monitor is all set up already in the box. So we have to take out this styrofoam piece. Let me just lean it towards you a bit so you can see what's going down. We have this box here, which I assume has like a power cable or something in it. Psych, the power cable is right here, so I don't know what's in that box. And then right here we have the USB hub port connector. Here we have the rest of the power supply. And here we have a clip that I assume is for cable management at some point. Let's open up this box and see what's actually inside of here. Okay, it looks like it's a back piece for the monitor to like, no, what is this? This must be the mount, so you can wall mount it. All right, so next we are supposed to pull this out, I guess. More cords, more paper. It also does come with the display port, and it looks like an HDMI cord as well. And then we have the instruction manual. All right, so now it is time to pull out the monitor, and I gotta say, I am so freaking excited. It is all in one piece. I think that's why this box is so big, but good Lord, I cannot wait to take this thing out. Let's sit this box on the floor, so when I take this thing out, we can actually sit it on this little table here. Let's pull it out by the convenient handle. Oh God, oh jeez. Holy crap. The stand barely fits on this little table that I got. But here we go. Are you guys ready? Are you ready? Oh my God. Woo! Good freaking Lord. This thing is looking like a beaut. Now that we have this off, I think it'd be a good time to show the height adjust, the tilt, which goes forward slightly and backwards slightly more than it does forward. We have swivel on this model, which differs from the XR341CK, which I believe did not have swivel. Let's take it on around to the back, where we can see all the ports are hidden under here, but here is the 4-port USB 3.0 hub, and then under here, which is easy to take off, we have a headphone port, an HDMI 2.0, a mini display port, a display port, an HDMI MHL 2.1, I believe it's called, and the power, and then the Kensington lock. Over here we have the joystick to control the on-screen controls, as well as the 4 buttons over here on the side, which will also be for on-screen controls. And across the back, there's this faux brushed aluminum look. It's plastic, but it looks like brushed aluminum with the bright and shiny Acer logo over here. Now, for some reason on this monitor, and I've seen this on other reviews too, this thing is on backwards, or maybe it's supposed to like flip out, I think, if you're displaying it, which it just shows the QHD Ultrawide 3440 by 1440 resolution of the monitor. It's IPS, DTS sound. And it is curved, by the way, if you could not tell already. It has a 1900R curve. It has a refresh rate of 75 Hertz. It does not have G-Sync, which I think is why this is one of the perfect monitors if you don't want to pay the premium for G-Sync, because the G-Sync version of this monitor is around $1,200, but I was able to get this one for about half that on Amazon. I am so excited to use this thing. I can't wait to edit videos. I think it's going to be insane. I'm going to have my timeline across the entire screen. It is going to be infinitely easier to edit videos, but you guys, I am so excited. This monitor is absolutely crazy dope, and oh my God. This thing is insane. All right, guys, so that is going to be the end of the unboxing portion for this video. So this is kind of weird. Right now, it's January 11th, 2018, which is probably the date this video is going to go out, if not tomorrow. And when I unboxed that monitor, it was July of 2017, so a big time gap. But that does mean that I've used the monitor for a really long time. It's that monitor right there, if you can't tell. And I freaking love this thing. This is my favorite monitor by far. Color accuracy is insane, 100% sRGB. I believe some other people have done some actual tests with testers. I don't personally have one, but 100% sRGB. Gaming and ultra-wide curved, like the 75 hertz is absolutely insane. Actually two things that I want to note is that a lot of people say that this monitor can overclock to 100 hertz. It actually, I think all of the models, I might be wrong here, all of them will go up to what says 114 before your monitor just won't even turn on when you're overclocking it. But it's not actually overclocking at all. If you even put it to 76, what happens is you get a ton of frame skipping, so you're not actually getting those frames. They're just completely skipped over. So if you set it to 114, it's actually probably gonna look more choppy than if you just set it to 75. So if you have this thing overclocked, I would recommend setting it to 75 unless somehow yours actually overclocks. And then the second thing is the only it's not even a defect, it's just kind of like the screen panel. There's a little bit of image retention for like 5 to 10 seconds. If you have a bright white background, like I'll have YouTube up on my screen, and then when I pull it down I can still kind of see the shadow of it basically on there. Then it goes away. It's not like that's staying on there forever. I've literally had the same page open for like a whole day, and you know, it hasn't like completely stuck on there. They all just fade away. But that's one thing you might notice, and I think that it's probably totally fine if that happens with your unit. If you end up buying this, which link is down in the description and probably in the pinned comment. But yeah, I love this monitor. Can't recommend it enough. When I got it, it was $699.99. I think it's lower now. They're actually coming out with new monitors. It's CES time, so there's new monitors coming out. It's probably, you could probably find it around the $600 range. I'm not really sure. I haven't looked at the prices. But definitely check the Amazon link down below. But that is going to be the end of the video. I hope you guys all really did enjoy. I also had to re-record this part because my head was cut off. I was like, the actual outro I recorded back in July, my head like got cut off right at the mouth, so you were just seeing like this portion. And then plus the monitor. So that is going to be it. Like I said, absolutely love the monitor. I will see you guys later. Thank you again so much for watching the video. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also make sure you click that bell to get the notifications of my videos as soon as they go live. But I will see you guys later. Thank you again so much for watching the video. Make sure to click one of the other videos on the screen. And as always, I have been EavesDrop, and I'm out.